Kalstein YR02050 series, laboratory incubators provide a stable and precisely controlled environment for research in microbiology, biotechnology, and agriculture. Their intelligent PID microcomputer system maintains the temperature from ambient plus 5 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of plus or minus zero point 0.1 degrees Celsius. The carbon fiber heating system, durable cooling, and uniform temperature distribution help protect sensitive cultures and ensure reliable results. The acid and corrosion-resistant stainless steel interior offers excellent durability and facilitates cleaning. Available in 50, 80, and 160-liter capacities, these incubators are suitable for various laboratory workloads. An RS485 interface allows for easy computer integration and monitoring. For optimal performance, regularly check temperature uniformity, inspect electrical connections, and install the equipment in a clean, well-ventilated area. Kalstein incubators. Precision, reliability, and versatility for modern laboratory research.